everyone, welcome back. I'm going to do a large diptych in purples. I've already done 2 test pieces on my channel, and today is the day that I'm going to do the big diptych. My canvases are 70 centimeters by 90 centimeters, so 28 inch by 36 inches. I've got my custom base color that I made out of ultramarine violet and permanent blue violet, and the recipe for the exact amount of paint you can find in the description box. This is what I'm going to use for my base paint, and I'm not doing a split base, but I'll cover it in all the same color. It's going to be a Botanical Dutch pour. The customer and I tried some test pieces and eventually decided on this. So I can blow it out, I can use my big spatula to spread my paint, but these canvases are pretty large, but I can still tilt with them. I'm going to finish this first painting completely before I start with the next one, and that is because of the drying of the paints when I wait too long, and I want to do some touch-ups with the back of a paintbrush. I'm pretty happy about the amount of paint that I dripped. It's not that much, and that's very nice. And I can also scrape some drips off later on and save them for another project, like I always do. So, torch. Pop the air bubbles. So, done that. I draw a composition. I'm going to do a sort of S shape like that, and then a wispy up there, I think. So let's go. I'm starting with my permanent blue violets. That, and I think I need more than one wispy. Let me see. I think I need one up there too. I thought I will just start minimalistic and then see where I need some more for the design. So let's try it like this. Pébéo Oriental violet. All those different violets, I have to think about it. I think I bumped my cup against here. she's a returning customer, and it's so nice. And I know her home and decoration is all about purples, violets, but also silver. So I'm going to torch the design colors, and that's only because I want to pop the air bubbles. And then I'm going to use my hairdryer to blow this out. So I'm going to start in the middle. I think I'm going to blow it a little bit this way first, because then I can go my way around. Now I'm going to use my smaller one. I think okay. Back to this one. So not blowing too hard, stay a little bit higher. See, I like the design for a start for this now. Oh my, you're not completely in camera. I'm sorry about that. I think that this is too much negative space for the customer, so I'm going to add some more wispies and blow them out. And then grab my skewer and make it botanical, magical. So I definitely want something here and here. So that is where I'm going to start with, and then when I've blown that out, I will see. It looks on the other sides. I see I dripped in here. So. think I'm going from here, just a small line over here. And when I'm busy, I'm still looking at this area to make sure what to do with that. Well, first this. Grab my cable over my shoulder so it can't hang in the paint. That's nice, that's nice. Yes, I definitely going to do a little wispy over here. I like it. I have to decide if I'm going to do a central spiral. I did some botanical Dutch pours and I had a spiral somewhere for a focus point. That is not what she saw in the example. What I did, so I'm not sure yet, but that's no problem. I'm going to start and I can always decide what I am going to do about that. Oh, I like it very much. I'm going to make some room. Grab myself a paintbrush. I'm going to use the back of the paintbrush. A few old paintbrushes that I almost never use, which I am going to use the back. I think I almost need a focus point, a central point in here. Yes. Make decisions, Linda. So there is a focus point in here. So I am going to start. I need a lot of paper towel to clean my brush every time. botanical look. Now I am going to blow the petals to make them a little bit bigger, and then I have to decide what to do in there. I see one thing. So, here we go. So, done blowing. I'm going to stand up and watch it from a distance. When I look at the camera, it looks like a big chaos, but I promise you that it is very, very pretty. I like it very much. So, I've been busy for about 17 minutes with this piece, and now I have to do the other one of the Diptych. So I'm going to check the sides, and then I'm going to move this painting a little bit aside, so I've got more room for the next one. And of course, because before I forget, I'm going to torch it, and maybe I get some extra cells from that. And I am debating if I should do another one here. I think so, because that one is not in the middle. So I think I'm going to add another one. And I'm so happy that I decided to first completely do this one, because my paints are all wet, even the sides, and I'm very happy about that. I didn't expect that. So that is fabulous. It's not that obvious than that one, but I'm going to draw a couple of extra lines now, and then I can do some touch-ups when it is dry. So this is the first one. This is already drying a bit. Going to show you the petals, some cells because of the torching. One centerpiece, one focal point that I need to make a little bit nicer. Some beautiful petals. Now it's very shimmery because this is still wet, but when it's dry it is better to see. So that is the first one. So both canvases are ready. I'm going to let them dry, but first I'm going to give you a close-up. And this is the second piece. I've set them apart to dry next to each other. So that looks very nice. I'm going to give you a close-up. This is one of the focal points. My lights. My camera has problems getting the right colors and lights. And here is another focal point. I'm very happy with this piece and I think the customer likes it too. The only thing we didn't agree was those focal points, but I think I had to do them because otherwise it is weird. So I hope you've subscribed my channel. If you haven't, please do so. If you hit the bell, you'll be notified every time that I upload a new video. And please give me a thumbs up if you like this. And I'll be right back with the dried results. Here's the dried results. I really had to step back to get them both in my camera. The colors are hard to show because of the light and of my camera. They look a little bit darker now. You can see the iridescent blue violet shining in here. I worked on the focal points to make sure that they are neat and clean and nice. I'm very happy with this botanical look in these two pieces, and I'm also very happy that the client is in love with these two. So that's great. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.